Okay, now we're going to talk about watering your compost pile. Now here I have a nice barrel of water, spring water. I think I'll wash my hands while I'm at it from all that compost. It's a little stinky. So what we're going to do is I have put compost inoculants in this water, which is going to has microorganisms in the inoculant. It has nutrients in there to feed the microorganisms, so they have something to feed on while they're getting established in the compost pile. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this old weed here. We want to do a little stirring. So we're going to stir this barrel up. You see the water's nice and clear right now. When I get finished, it'll be all cloudy. Then we stir it, get a nice vortex going on, sucking in the energy of the universe as it vortexes down. Then we're going to take the watering can and fill this up with some of this nutrient-rich compost starter. And if you don't have compost starter, now we're going to water the pile, but if you don't have compost starter and you need compost starter, well, you can contact me at jb@yahoo.com, and I'll fix you up with some compost starter. And we'll give you that email address again later on. But it's important that you water this compost pile and get it nice and wet. Not too wet. It should be wet like a sponge, not dripping, which takes quite a bit of water. And you want to come and water this compost pile if it isn't raining periodically to keep it wet. This pile needs watering just like a plant needs watering. The microorganisms in here, if it dries out, the microorganisms will die and leave the area. This pile will invite a lot of worms and all the little bugs that feed on the microorganisms and create a very juicy, wonderful amendment to put in your garden to help feed your plants, because, that's what it's all about, is making this compost to feed your plants.